Nice. About time, huh? All right. Triple threads number 11. We had some bench warmers, but we couldn't fill it. It sat there forever and ever and ever. We ended up having to give the spots away. Good luck, everyone. See what new case of triple threads brings us. It's got to bring us some luck, right? Fresh case Friday. Probably wrong, but I thought that one was a little thicker. There's a nice one. Yordano Ventura, 17 of 25, going to the Royals. Joe AQU. Boo Royals. DiMaggio, 353 of 354 for the Yankees. Ronald, HES. Goldschmidt, Boggs, Encarnacion. Oh, and look at that. We got a Red Sox hit. Daniel Nava, the auto jersey, 14 of 25, going to the Red Sox. Steven, QUI. Gridiron Kings is full? Really? And there's a nice one for a Cardinals fan. Yadier Molina. What? CIB? Cannot read that. 12 of 36 for the Cardinals. Ronald, HES. Gibby times 2. Gibby times 2. Couldn't tell if that was a G or a C. Chris Bryant, 247 of 250 for the Cubs. Reggie, GIE. Polanco, 347 of 354 for the Pirates. Tony, BEN. Nolan Ryan. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Jose Abreu. Polanco. Oh. Derek Jeter. Jumbo jersey. Nice pinstripe in there. 25 of 36 for the Yankees. Ronald, HES. I don't know if we can handle this next hit. I'm actually pretty sure we can't. This next hit is a monster. Oh my goodness. How about the Ken Griffey Jr. 1 of 1 auto bat. Going to the Reds, Ronald H.E.S. Oh, it's a senior. I thought it was a junior. Ah, I thought it was a junior. Either way. Ken Griffey Sr. 1 of 1. All I saw was Griffey. It's all the further I looked. Wow. Still, 1 of 1 auto bat. Thought for sure it was a junior. Oh. Yeah. I'm an idiot. Oh. Good stuff. Why'd I think that was junior? Well, don't I feel stupid? Still a very nice hit. Going to the Reds, that was Ronald H.E.S. Nice Griffey Sr. 1 of 1 auto. Man, I got my hopes up for nothing. Yeah, it is still a very nice card.